I write to you as Comrade Gageni Ajanga, a pro-liberation war fighter who served in the thick of the armed struggle from 1978 through to 1979, operating the Zimonya area of Manicaland province. Throughout that decisive final phase of our fighting for freedom, I fought shoulder to shoulder with Comrade Augustine Chihuri, known famously then by his war name Georgia, conducting patrols, ambushes, and operations that helped weaken colonial rule and pave the way for our nation's independence. Zanapenda mashikobranyo kwa pangwa ine achimirwa to every 7 military general Zimbabwe Defense Forces to subscribe or like on the bell icon. Pangwa ine subject yanyo kwa chinzi final warning. Stop protecting Emerson Mnangagwa before he kills you. I count myself among those who bore the greatest risks, endured harsh conditions, and made sacrifices that earned us the right to call ourselves liberation heroes. And it is from that tested, unblemished record of service that I address you now. Comrades who once carried guns for this nation, listen closely. This is not advice. This is warning you will regret ignoring. You line up behind Emerson Mnangagwa and his crooked push to ram through the illegal and unconstitutional amendments, and you think you are safe. This man lives by one rule: use you to get what he wants, then murder you the moment you are no longer useful. Once that dirty bill is low, your turn to die comes fast. Why would you cling to a man who is your own worst enemy? Look at the face. They scream the truth. K3 is a trap. He created it specifically to strip the army of every independent power and bring it fully under his boot. Why fight for a satanic leader who is busy dismantling the very institution he used to defend? He betrays even those who made him. Vice President Constantino Chiwenga put him in power, and Mnangagwa repaid him with poison. If he can murder him, his main backer, do you honestly believe you matter to him? History repeats itself. Right after 2017, 51 loyal military generals who helped him take charge were systematically handed down and assassinated. You walk in their exact footsteps. You are already in his firing line. He has wrecked this economy completely under his watch. Everything collapsed. If you keep shooting him, all things get worse. History will brand you as accomplices, a stain on your names no medical can wash away. Anobadzika chisaina pasasi ndo madevelopments anobuda achinogwa pangwa ine aiwa atukoona kuti this is a core iduya pangwa ine ichipiwa ma7 generals achinzi aiwa ngwarai vakomana tazoti hatina kukudzai peda comment section medu dzafukira ino tudipa musoro pechitwa ichi. So subscribe or like chito the bell icon.